Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and an edited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our Patreon. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of shoplifting, trespassing, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and being under the influence and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
What's up?
Straight that way, the yellow blinkers.
That's the car
right
that hit
there.
you?
Holy, he came in quick, yeah.
Okay.
He came in the wrong way, off this curb, hit me,
He came in this way?
came in from the intersection, hopped this car, the curb jumped him, hit me here, and then just kept driving against the one-way, and he's right there with the blinkers on. Do you see the blinkers?
Yeah.
Are they on him?
Yeah, we got it also.
Pretty bad, thank you. I just got this, my company vehicle.
Okay, so he came in
He came in from the intersection.
from Chester Ave.
There's a car in front of me, Chester Ave, or this 130.
Yeah.
Either came from 130 and made a left, or came straight in. Either way, when I saw him off of this curb, to follow his tracks, he hit me, and then kept going along the wrong way down the one.
Developments around 10:42 p.m. on March 17, 2023, officers with the Delran Township Police Department were dispatched to a report of developments, a hit-and-run crash at the jughandle for Chester Avenue and 130. Developments. Officer Christopher Clawges arrived on scene and first made contact with the driver of a white 2018 Ford truck. Developments. The driver told Officer Clawges that he was driving the truck for work and that when he was waiting at the traffic light, a wrong-way driver sideswiped his vehicle. Developments. After striking his vehicle, the continued driving the wrong way before turning onto Route 130 North and pulling into a parking lot.
And parked over there.
Okay.
So these are his, but he came in from maybe that way or 130, but he got me good in the back. And
Alright, we're gonna get you out of the jungle.
sounds good. I think I can drive till my tires.
I'm gonna go get it.
Move you guys over and him, or sounds good. Sounds good. All right. Go on my company.
I don't know. They only said they hit the white van.
Developments. The officers eventually located a white 2017 Jeep Compass matching the witness descriptions. Developments. Officer Clawges headed over to the parking lot and made contact with the driver, who was identified as 23-year-old Delaney. Developments. As he was speaking with Delaney, he observed indicators of impairment. Delaney admitted to another officer that she had consumed alcohol before operating a motor vehicle. Developments. Based on the officer's suspicion of impairment, Delaney was asked to perform field sobriety exercises.
So what happened? Are you injured?
I'm not. No.
What happened?
You can stand normal. Stand normal.
So, all of this is previous. I have a police report about all of the other injuries to the car. I have it in my wallet.
All this didn't just happen?
No.
Well, this happened.
Well, yes.
This tire and maybe something else because you hit something. Remember when you hit?
No, I didn't hit anything.
They had your
I
tire
come out,
like that.
so I
You
went
can just stay in the car, it's
to
fine.
make a left turn, and some people, the red light.
Did you?
Alright, so, like, obviously I know that, like, I'm at fault. I get that.
We're just trying to figure
I'm
out.
sorry.
Listen. We're just trying to figure out what. Did
No,
you?
I know, but like you're
Let me
giving
talk.
me like
Let me-
really bad anxiety.
let me
like
talk.
I know, like I have a police report.
Can you let me
about-
talk? Can you let me talk?
Absolutely.
Did you go over the jug handle on Chester Ave?
Yes.
So you were coming from Chester Ave,
Yes.
and you accidentally went straight into the jug handle the
So
wrong way.
we're coming from Crawford's. I'm going home.
You can put your hands up. So you
So
can't.
I'm coming
You're-
from up this way.
So at what point did you go into the jug handle the wrong way?
Honestly, I don't know. That's my fault.
Like, were you coming up Chester Ave or were you coming down 130 this way?
I was coming up this way,
Okay.
and somebody else hit me, and then I kind of got startled.
Somebody else hit you?
Yeah,
Where did that
somebody
happen?
else hit me right here.
In the jug handle
Honestly,
over there?
because I'm not an idiot. I know that obviously I shouldn't be driving, but I know that somebody else shouldn't have hit me. So I pulled over here and pulled over. But my car has a lot of damage.
What happened?
I'm sorry?
What happened?
What do you mean, what happened?
What happened? Were you guys coming down Route 130? Did you cross over Chester Ave?
Yeah, she did.
She crossed over Chester Ave into the jug handle the wrong way? Because we have multiple witnesses.
Yeah, I'm guessing she come that way.
So she came from Chester Ave over the intersection.
I
into the jug
honestly
handle?
can't say, but I would think so, yeah.
I have no problem taking this. You know, my own issue is I'm on vacation. It's already 11 o'clock. But I'm saying,
I think
I'm saying you can't run the box right now. That's the problem.
I can't run the box. I mean, you just do stuff for it. You do stuff for the box.
I know, but what I'm saying is I'm working day shift tomorrow, so I can't be held over.
I mean, realistically, by the time we get out of here, Amber's may be in. You can run the box. Like I said, she has an open sheet. So she told me she had only 2 Coronas. So she told me she had 2 Coronas. The mom said she had 3 to 4. There's an open Corona with a lime in the cup holder right now.
She's saying the damage was already on the car.
She's a flat tire.
She said somebody else hit.
Heavy damage.
I'm gonna try to get the guy in.
So, well, like I was telling her, I have no problem taking it. My only issue is I'm working day shift tomorrow, so I can't be held over.
I just don't want all the stuff happens. I know. What time?
It's like 10 of 11.
Okay, we can do it. Let's get rolling. Let's start getting the test on her. I have the back driver over there still.
No, listen, I understand it. I get it.
What?
So I
No, I'm good. I'm moving my car.
I have
All right, so I'm gonna run you through.
Sorry.
I'm gonna run you through a couple tests, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Do you have any issues with your eyes?
No.
Do you have contacts,
Well,
glasses,
I'm
anything like
blind,
that?
but
What do
I
you mean?
have contacts
What do you mean
in.
you're blind?
Developments. Officer Clawges started with the horizontal gaze nystagmus HGN test. The second exercise was the walk and turn test. Developments. During the walk and turn test, Delaney failed to touch heel to toe on each step, turned improperly, took an incorrect number of steps, and failed to count aloud. Developments. The last exercise was the one-leg stand test, and Delaney failed to raise her foot in the proper fashion and put her foot down before the test was complete.
I'm legally blind, but I have contacts in.
What do you mean you're legally blind?
I'm legally blind,
But
but I have contacts in.
Okay. Can you see the tip of my finger?
I can.
Okay. So I want you to stand, feet together, keep your arms at your side, okay? All right, so I want you to look at the tip of my finger. Keep your shoulders straight. Follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't follow with your head, okay?
Okay,
Do you understand those instructions?
I do.
Keep your head straight. Don't follow with your head. Alright. So, for the next test, we're going to... Here, come over here. Alright, so I'm going to have you... stay right here. I'm going to have you start here. Face me. So, I want you to get in the starting position, which you're going to have your left foot on the... It's going to be an imaginary line, okay? Left foot on the line, right foot in front of your left foot. Keep your arms at your side, okay? While I give you the instructions. You understand that?
Like this?
Yeah, left foot on the imaginary line, right foot in front of your left foot in the heel to toe position.
So like this.
We are on kind of an angle here, so we can face this way, and then that way you're not out of bounds. So left foot on the line, right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe position.
Well, what if I'm left-handed?
You left-handed me
Doesn't matter.
No. Keep your arms at your side. Okay? So what I'm going to have you do, I'm going to have you take 9 heel-to-toe steps. Okay? You're going to go 9 heel-to-toe steps, and you're going to count it out loud as you take the steps. You're going to keep your hands at your side. Once you reach 9, you're going to do a 180 and with a series of small steps. You're going to do 9 steps back. Okay? So I'm going to demonstrate for you. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm doing 3 for demonstration purposes. You're going to take a series of small steps. You're going to do 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9 steps, okay? So you're going to do 9 steps, heel to toe, which means your heel is touching your toe. You're going to keep your arms at your side.
Turn around, do the same thing.
I'm getting to it. You're going to keep your arms at your side while you do it. You're going to count every step out loud. When you get to the turn, take a series of small steps. And then you're going to go back for 9 more, heel to toe, counting it out loud. Do you understand that? Okay.
I can turn around.
Yep. Okay. So,
Sorry.
How-
Just
how are you? How are you with your bounce? We have to run through the test. How are you with your bounce?
good.
Okay.
I don't know.
Do you have a preference, right leg or left leg?
I'm left-handed.
So, can you bounce better on your left leg or your right leg?
Left leg, I guess.
Okay, so the leg of your choosing, I want you to lift up 6 inches off the ground and start when I tell you to, okay? I'm gonna have you lift your leg 6 inches off the ground. Keep your foot parallel to the ground, okay? It's gonna be approximately a soda can height. You're gonna keep your arms at your side. You're gonna count 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000 until I tell you to stop. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay, I'll tell you when to start.
Ready?
Number 101 Leon Avenue. Call reporting her juveniles are out of control.
Do you have a timer? Travis, you go out there. Travis, do you have a timer? Alright. You can, yeah, okay, okay.
They're being disrespectful.
Okay. When you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, you can begin. Remember, count out loud. 1 1,000, 2 1,000.
2. I'm sorry. Hold on. Ready? Can I stand on my right foot?
That's fine. You gotta keep your foot out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Alright.
9,
How old are you?
23.
Okay.
Developments. Based on the motor vehicle crash, her admission to consuming alcohol, and her inability to satisfactorily complete the field sobriety exercises, developments. Officer Wolf placed Delaney under arrest for driving under the influence. Developments. Her vehicle was impounded for a 12 Hour hold according to John's law. Officer Clawges transported Delaney to the Delran Township Police Department for further processing.
I need you to place your hands behind your back, okay? Right now you're being placed under arrest for suspicion of DWI. Let go of your hands. Is that too tight?
Your custody time is 2,300 hours.
Okay. Alright, come on. Good luck on.
Okay.
You don't have any pockets? Do you have anything in your pockets?
No, you can check me. I'm sorry.
You don't have to apologize.
Do we have the unit that's around to lay out? Okay, and then review number, badge number would be...
Okay, we're gonna go over to the other side, right? Come on. Come on. This side. We got the door for you?
Thank you.
Give her a license.
She's trying to find everything.
Where's your driver's license at?
It's in my wallet.
Where's your wallet?
It's in the... I'm sorry.
Is it in the glove box or the
No,
center
it's
console?
in my actual wallet. It's in my actual wallet.
I know. Where is it?
The driver's side.
Somewhere in the driver's side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Watch your
you.
foot. Watch your foot. She said it's somewhere in the driver's side.
We have other containers in the back as well. I want to have Reeves come and be hauled in recording.
I think this is
She's looking for insurance. We might just have to. Do you have someone you can call?
I'm sorry?
Do you have someone that can come pick you up?
Yes.
Okay. I guess you could have. I guess the police station. Yeah, come pick you up here, and then whoever wants to pick up the order. It's gonna be a little bit.
Alright. Was there anything else in the car you wanted? I have your wallet. This is it, right? Okay. Is your phone in here? Okay.
Central.
23100.
23100.
I'll be transporting one adult female from my location at Meadows Ice Cream back to 230. Starting mileage is going to be 98278.
Starting mileage 98278 at 2305.
There's a car driven on far right on Leon.
Flynn's en route for the Jeep.
Oh, so you making your way back here? Alright, we're leaving now.
Okay, 14 units, 1775 Creek Road at the rink. Response being dispatched for an ankle sprain of a female, 8 years of age.
1439.
1430.
That's a 1423 copy. Yeah, mail radio until 300 hours. I'm en route to Leon.
Central 2400. I'll be arriving at 230. Ending mileage is 98280.
2310.
Central 705. You can disregard. We made contact with the resident. Confirmed accidental.
Developments. Delaney was read the standard statement for motor vehicle operators and agreed to submit breath samples. Developments. Her alcotest results indicated a BASI level of 0.2%, which was more than double the legal limit of 0.08%. Delaney was eventually released pending her court appearance.
go your hands real quick. ESP right now. You good? Get into it. Just have a seat on the bench, okay?
Developments. Officer Clawges issued Delaney the following citations: operating under the influence, reckless driving, developments. Careless driving, leaving the scene of an accident involving property damage, failure to report an accident, and wrong way on one-way street, developments. Delaney pleaded guilty to operating under the influence in court on November 15, 2023.
No, you can't have a cigarette right now.